Hey YouTubers, we have a front load Frigidaire that's not doing its final spin, so we got it unplugged. We're gonna pull off this ring that's holding on the boot. We're gonna pull the boot back, take out a couple Phillips head screws. We're gonna take the old lock out, remove 3 connectors from it. And we're gonna put a new lock on. It has a different color wax motor, it has a burgundy colored wax motor. That's a newer type. Put the connectors back on. We have a link below that shows where to get this part. They're pretty cheap. And we're gonna go ahead and put it back in position, put the screws back in. We'll go ahead and put the boot back on, put the clamp back over the boot, and you're all done. And you'll be able to get your machine spinning like new again. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and press the bell so we can send you more videos.